Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Golden Eplets Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, we are going to be discussing something very important, something that mostly goes through every CPL holder's head, that is, which type rating should I do? Should I do an Airbus type rating, a Boeing type rating, or should I take an ATR type rating? So in my video today, we will be discussing about the same. Keep watching my video till the end. Most CPL holders nowadays are puzzled with this question about what type rating should I go and do, or should I even go for a type rating. Now, if you have decided that you want to go for a type rating, you should first look at what the airlines have. If you see presently at this moment, Airbus wins the race definitely. But now that there are many new airlines coming up, like Akasa has come up and they have Boeings, so it is also a good idea to go for a Boeing type rating as well. If you are an aviation enthusiast, if you follow the news, you would know which company is ordering for more aircrafts or which are the new aircrafts that are going to come in. So based on that, maybe you could decide on which type rating do you want to do. And most importantly, analyze the number of pilots that are currently unemployed for each type of the airplane. This should be one of the most important factor in determining which type rating should you go for. There are about 150 to 200 Boeing 737 type rated pilots. And in ATR, we surely don't have more than 100 type rated pilots as of now who are waiting for a job. So if the question in your mind is which type rating will generate more job, well, without a doubt, I would say it would be the A320. But like I also said, with the recent news, if you have been following, Air India has ordered for a lot of Boeing aircrafts, Akasa has started, which has Boeing aircrafts as well. So yes, if you think of taking a Boeing rating as well, I don't think it will be a bad idea. Now, if you want to consider an ATR type rating, keep in mind that every type rating is expensive. And also, the number of ATRs in our country is limited. So you might get opportunity after a long time. But if you are patient enough to wait for some time, it would be an advantage for you whenever the opportunity comes up. And also, ATRs come up with the higher limit of the maximum age. So if you are someone who's in your 30s, then considering an ATR type rating is a good idea. Now, this is all what I had and what I feel is right. But do think it through and take the right decision for yourself. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact us. Our address and contact details are mentioned here. And for more such informative videos and updates, keep following our channel Golden Eplets. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!